to get the software sorted out, but got it sorted out now. Never had it do that before, which it just was like, I don't know, glitched on my login. The RP Profits streaming.
Price kind of up and down today. Both Kick and YouTube are delayed, so it's fine. Discord's much better.
RP Profits used to be in his channel, and I think I got some good information, but then he, for whatever reason, changed the format of it, and didn't have the community aspect there. And the community is hit or miss with the people in there. There are some very helpful people, but a lot of younger people. Kind of muddy the waters a little bit, but all right. So I want to see. I'm thinking we're going up today, just based on I'm going up. Just based on my 1 hour candle here. Is indecision. It did get pushed down, but we are bottoming out. It looks like here. Re-enter. Okay, we went into that. This is my new low. I mean, we want to be going up, but have we dipped out enough yet? You can see a pullback a bit deeper into some of these fair value gaps or something, but we also just hit the swing or the trend line low there. We could be trying to break trend today, and then we might just really drop down quite a bit, but got this aggressive move up. I'm gonna double down. I'm gonna get out of one here, hopefully. I'm just kind of not. I don't feel like I'm trading smart right now. But hopefully, if we get out of this contract here, then we'll get into risk-free to the upside. We still got a lot of bullish signals. How's my 1 hour doing still? So we got this one locked in. We wicked down and up from that. I mean, I feel like we're bullish today. So I don't mind doubling down and the deeper we go. 9-1. Creating a fair value gap here. Now we are creating a 1 hour bearish because we've exceeded the volume of the previous candle. But it's kind of an indecision candle. We did not take out this recent low. We got 19 minutes for it to close. This is a down candle, but we wicked down already quite a bit. Maybe that's disconnected. Okay, I lost internet there. Not gonna create a fair value gap here. we are reaching down here. Got these trend lines. We're kind of in a consolidation period. We're building on fair value. We did invert this fair value gap, but we have not made fair value gaps going down on the 1 hour. Little premature entry, I say. But we're in it, we're in it, we're in it, we'll make something out of it. This is our the volume, fixed volume profile is at its highest volume, so not surprised we're hanging out there. Okay, we wicked up on a couple. Let's see if we can continue up. Get to my profit line there. Looks like we might create a fair value gap, hopefully. Take out one of these. Still holding on. No fair value gap. We have kind of gone above this trend line there. And now we're reacting off the bottom of it. A lot of my signs say up, so I don't mind necessarily at this point doubling down. I think we'll take this. We are kind of tweezer topping this 1 minute. Did take out the high of the last candle. Still holding on, not quite a continuation candle. Let's see what my volume is. My volume bursts. Kind of definitely hot today. We had some sells at the bottom, but some buys at the top here. So we're above these. If it can push up, then it could get rid of some of these orders, hopefully. So it came up and wicked down quite a bit too. Okay, now we're gonna take it, I think. Okay, got that. I'm gonna wait for it to go up a little bit. No, I just put it in. 950. I want to see this hold up, this fair value gap. Risk-free trade to the top here, I guess. Got a fair value gap. Let's see if it'll hold. It's a 15-minute. No 5-minute. Got a 1 minute and 15-minute there, so that's pretty strong. I'm gonna push up against this fair value gap again, this pretty high. Okay. So far, so good. Where do I got that? Way up there? That's the swing high up there. I wonder if, I don't know that it'll go that high. I feel like it's kind of rangy, and it might not want to go that high. Well, it's a risk-free trade, and we are halfway up there. Let's see if it'll break through this top here or reject off of it. At 99. I'll get 1 point locked in if it comes back. Okay. How was I down? Looks like we're coming back down, doesn't it? Two wick tops here. We really got to push up on this candle in order to. Okay, we do got some by volume. We're getting wicked down. We got a fair value gap. It's risk free. So if it doesn't want to go, it doesn't want to go. We really need to make a higher high here. Not make a higher high. I don't see how I'm down today. Did I do something last night? No. What did I lose? $1.25. Oh, the loss, the $1. Oh yeah, when I was testing out the see if it's working. It's funny, I get thumbs up from somebody, but I never know who it is. Okay, we're kind of equal topping here. It looks like we might want to come down. It's okay. Okay, maybe not, maybe not. Getting a little rambunctious here. We got some volume pushing down here, more volume stepping in. I'm kind of protected. Maybe I should take it down to 600. I am pretty much there. Hopefully this holds up, but this is our new low here. Looks like it's rounding the top and might come down first again. And I put it here. Get another point out of it, because if it takes out this low here, then this has already been mitigated. If it takes this out, that might mean it wants to come down more. So at least we'll lock in a little bit more profit. And we've starting to make 3 bearish candles. Okay, so good morning. We are in profit at the moment, and I had a good day yesterday. Ended up, I don't know if it was. I did catch that trade off on stream, but so yeah, started out pretty good yesterday. Might take this out. It's a risk-free trade. Locking a little bit of profit. We got these equal lows on here. We didn't take it out, so it may go up, but it's kind of looking like it's really knocking on the door to want to go lower. So we got 1, 2, 4 now bearish candles forming. We need to break this high in order to want to go up more. I could have kept my stop loss back down here. I think I will. Just keep it at a point. It's still risk-free. Still even locking a little bit of profit, but now that we're trying to break above this high, maybe we will want to go up more, and we'll give it a little bit of a buffer. Made equal highs. Not really that much to ask. We're already like halfway there. Okay, tweezers topping here. Kind of a liquidity sweep. No, this is gonna go down lower probably. Okay, we got a little bit of profit today. Still have this 15-minute fair value gap here. Not broken that low yet, so might want to. These big wicks are a little concerning. We got a lot of cells up top, but I'm gonna just try to stick with it because I feel like overall we're in an uptrend. We did break this high. If I see another fair value gap to the upside, then I will hop back in. Like we will tag this in. I don't know how far it wants to go down. But we got this fair value gap here, so I'm hoping that's holding us up here. thinking I might want to go down a little bit first. 3 minutes to lock this fair value gap in. Okay, we're starting to reverse this candle. I'll wait till the fair value gap though to the upside. I'm not even sure if this is a good idea going in here. It's a little bit of a pullback. We got the 15-minute fair value gap and really 2 minutes to start to create a 30-minute fair value gap. We do have this long wick. Bit of a sign that we are reversing, which we've seen some reversals, but we don't have any fair value gaps to the downside yet. We have to see it go up higher to create a fair value gap to the upside on the 1 hour. I'm almost there to want to buy in. I'm buying in. Okay, I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go up. And if I double down, that's okay too. We've got the momentum. We've gotten all bullish signals here across all time frames. I actually kind of would like it to take this order down there in light of everything I see here. We are battling out in this survey, but we got this 710, yeah, or 610. Yeah, that's where my kind of target is, up there. 1, 2 actually. I didn't miss out on much movement. Might be making a fair value gap to the downside, but next candle could change that. Equal lows on the 1 minute there, recent equal lows. Got a little bit of a 1 minute kick to the downside. Not mitigated this low, we still got one low down there too. Had some crazy market moves kind of like that recently. Seems like, I don't know if it's the war stuff or what. We're not really moving, are we? We're kind of just really just ranging out right here. Not a, okay, they were in. Let's see if we can get out of one. Might make a fair value gap to the downside. We might really drop here with that big move. We're kind of wicking back up. We're in 2 contracts. If I can get out of one, then with a little bit of profit, then it'll get me a risk-free trade. Okay, there was a big seller push down there. Sells are kind of starting to take over here. We are reacting off of this minor trend line here. We did take out this low of this fair value gap. So on the 5 minute, no fair value gap. We did take out this fair value gap on the 15 minute. Okay. Risk-free trade now. See if it wants to go up. If it doesn't take this time, I'm skeptical that it wants to go, because it's kind of like that was a liquidity sweep. We should just kind of take off. If it wants to continue to go down, then maybe it wants to go down more first. Might be a little hesitant getting in next time. We are risk free here. If it takes out, we'll get a little bit of profit. Looks like it's going to take it out, which is okay. Get a little bit of profit. Nothing really holding it up now. We got this fair value gap down there at 600 that it whipped into. Okay, so we're out of that trade. We're up a little bit today. We're just not really moving. I'm going to take this time to look through some of my higher time frames. So we whipped down through the trend line, I think. No, did we? No. A little bit, we did. Okay, am I in the right place here? Okay, now we're moving up, it looks like. I need to see a fair value gap though. Okay, so I'm in now. See if it takes out this high. Kind of rejecting off of that. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a spike up there. Let's see if that's just a sweep and we're going to come back down, or are we going to keep moving up? We do got a lot of good signals here. Creating a fair value gap. See if it holds. That'll be a great sign on the 1 minute. Might even, yeah, now we got multiple. Well, this one's been mitigated, but we're starting to create one on the 5 minute as well. And with this one got mitigated on the 15, and we do not have one on the 30. Okay, tweezer topped. Okay, if it wicks into this and gets in another contract, I think it's going to go up here. It looks like it's going to go from here. Looks like it's going to go from here, so that's good. Not much resistance. Price might move pretty quick through here because we are at all-time highs. And we just don't know how far it will want to go up. Could go all the way up here, 733. 33, how many points would that be? That'd be 30 points. That's really what we should aim for. We got this session high here. We kind of had good news with the war. I mean, it's mixed signals with the war stuff. A lot of different conflicting sides and whatnot. Alright, so we're not going up higher. We're playing with house money, so I don't mind if we come down. I guess my... Let's see, this is 600, it's only 5 points. So we wouldn't be too far down if it came all the way down. Like we're still holding on. Are we holding on to a fair value gap still? Not on that. We've kind of broken this trend line, so we are kind of going up from that trend line. No real fair value gaps holding us up at this point, so makes me think I want to get, if I could break this high, I might want to get into a risk-free trade again. Not real strong movement now, up now. We had some resistance. We did have a break of structure. Market structure shift on the 5-minute, not one on the 15-minute yet. We are making that way up. This is starting to look good. Okay, come on, equal high. We can do this. Signals are looking up again. Market structure looks like everything is moving up now. Made an equal low, so we did not actually break lows there. All the time frames look pretty good. This free trade, I'm in, so for a point. Nothing holding it up. Only this. Well, we got a 45-minute fair, or we got two 45s. It's not bad, I guess. We got a 90-minute, and we got some 1 hour. So we do got some support here. Not recently, though. We haven't made any current fair value gaps, I don't think. We got one here holding on. Okay, that's something. Okay, we got a 5-minute holding on. Okay. If it wicks me out, then I might re-enter right away, because that looks like it's really starting to push to the upside here. Okay, we're getting close to this session high, Asian session, I think it is. I think I have yellow as my Asian. Now we're looking down. I'd like to see some decisive movement into that session high. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Now we're equal highs at this Asian high there, but we are basically, we've broken that trend. We are in an uptrend. Nice leg up. Risk-free trade. If it tumbles all the way back down, then it's what it meant to be, I guess. So we broke that. Got a nice 5-minute candle here. So 1 minute left on the 5-minute, and we'd like to see it hold a nice fair value gap there. 15-minute, 1 minute on the 15. Break a structure to the upside. We want to continue going higher. We've broken that. What high is this saying? Were we okay? Everything. So we did break that. A little bit of a pullback is normal. What is this high from? Okay. "34 seconds to create this fair value gap." Seconds. We might make a fair value gap to the downside if this really pushes. 13 seconds left on this candle. 10 seconds. This could tweeze it up. We've already kind of wicked down quite a bit, so hopefully it won't continue to tweeze the top on us. Okay, get the fair value gap. Maybe it'll launch us up from here, hopefully. This could be the start of a move down. We need to see it take this high. Okay, fair value gaps on multiple time frames. I didn't do the 30 yet. 15 minutes left on 30. We got the 45 should have something. 15 minutes left still. Okay, so did make a 15-minute. That's something. We're working our way up to take out this high here. Okay. Didn't take out that one. Let's see if it's going to go up or is it going to come down. That's the question. So 13 minutes left on this 15-minute to lock it in. We got basically 13 minutes left to determine the fate of this direction for the day. If we make a fair value gap on all these time frames, that's a really good sign, but there's still time to take out. We got 3 minutes to lock in this 5 minute. Okay, we're starting to come down. Tweezers are topping on the 5 minutes. See if it holds. We got the fair value gap below it as well. It's basically my take profit is right at that, below it. So we'll see if it wants to hold. We got 2 minutes, 12 minutes left. Two minutes left on the 5. Looks like we might take our stop loss out at a little bit above break even. Still got time though. Nice push up, might make another fair value gap on the 1 minute. It doesn't wick down. Okay, start of 1. Hopefully this will hold. And this is just a minor pullback. We're continuing up higher. No fair value gap on the 1 minute, unfortunately. Still holding on that one down there. Well, it's mitigated it, so this is our target down there. Nice momentum here. Momentum up here looks good. All my signals looking good. On 1 hour, okay, we got 3 continuations. How many points is that? Market open. Market open, we've done 12 points. Okay, nice push up. Okay. Got some fair value gaps up here to contend with. This is our pivot point high. Like this is right above that. That'd be important. Now indecision wick down from there. Minutes until that 1 hour. 8 minutes left till the 45 and the 30 and the 15. A little bit choppy here. We could come all the way down again. We've maintained this fair value gap so far on the 15 minute. We've got multiple 1 minute fair value gaps They hold less weight, but so far they're hanging on. Fair value gap, hopefully not to the downside. Let's see a wick up here and take this out, mitigate this. If this creates this fair value gap to the downside, I think I'll just get out. "31 seconds. Yeah, shells popping in or what? Equal low. Amount. Out with a little bit of profit. 2 fair value gaps to the downside on the. I don't know if I want to take sells. I think I want to take sells. We're in an uptrend. I want to see it come down and then get back in, going up. Playing with house money at this point. $32. Let's see, 6, 9, 12. 12 divided by 6. 2. That's 5. $10. I got 3 points so far today, it looks like. You see another fair value gap to the upside. Let's see what our, keep an eye on these time frames. So we mitigated the one. I'm kind of respecting it. We got 5 minutes. We've created this fair value gap. I want to see it come down further. I might just get back in solely based on this fair value gap. A lot of buys. So did we mitigate any of those? Yeah. So we mitigated that fair value gap. Now let's look on, let's see if we're respecting that. We got the next one down there. It is a bit of a trend change. That might be a smaller pullback. And enough. Still got a lot of bullish signals. Let's go nuts. Let's go nuts. Really no reason to do that, but it is falling. A little preemptive, I think, on that decision to get in based on that big wick up, but are we making fair value gaps down? We made one more. Okay, almost. We are in a loss at the moment. Really going down at the moment. Okay. Let's see if we could save this. Made a higher high, made a higher low. So at some point down here, we might want to turn around. What's my 1 hour looking like now? So we got a new candle here. Previous volume is not greater than the previous candle. We still got a half hour. We are making tracks to go have more volume than the previous candle. So that will make this a blue candle once it crosses that, but still time. Still getting out of one contract for a point. If it wants to go back up, put me back in a risk-free trade. Let's see, we're so far respecting this fair value gap. Like this. Like this. Come on. Keep moving. Inverting. Start trying to invert this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Still respecting this low down there. So far, what's the 15 minute doing? 15 minute. Leaked up there. Almost made a fair value gap. Okay, looks like we're going up. 1 hour is pushing back up. Body is above this. Risk free trade. Nice push. Need to see the fair value gap. Nice. It's looking pretty good if maybe we keep pushing up. So we are looking to go. I don't know where we're looking to go really. If we go above this level, 619. Yeah, I feel like if we're gonna go higher. 3-2. I really do want to just try to get bigger wins and still stay risk-free, kind of like my strategy of my entries on a small time frame, but then to get into a risk-free situation and then just see how far we could go with it. I think we would be making all-time highs quite often. So we've already had a pullback. This is a big pullback. Did not, well, we made equal lows. Now it's time to make now it's time to make all-time highs again. We've already made some higher highs and higher lows. I'm liking this. So this is looking real good. By there, this is our target. We're basically from the bottom. We're halfway there. 3-2. Could have another pullback. I think we're in high enough to where we should not get stopped out, hopefully. We do have this fair value gap. We could potentially respect. Is it possible in Tradeovate to
Hey, David.
hey,
Sure, I'm
okay,
happy.
just listen. Is it possible
So, what's on-
just be quiet. Is it possible
Of course,
just-
I'll keep it short and clear. Whatever
Okay,
you
you
need,
keep-
just lay it out and I'll give it to you straight.
You keep cutting me off, just let me finish my thought. Thank you. Jesus. So in Tradeovate, can you make it where if your stop loss or take profit gets hit, any other orders are also exited at the same time?
Absolutely. Being direct doesn't mean being cold. I've got your back, but I'll always be honest with you.
Okay. So what do you think about the question I just asked you?
I'm not seeing the exact question you just asked in what I have right now.
I asked you in Tradeovate, can you have it set to where if one of your stop losses or take profits gets hit, then it will X out all orders from the chart, so it does not leave another entry or a buy or sell later on.
In Tradeovate, yes, you can do that with bracket orders. You'd set up a bracket order with both a take profit and a stop loss. Once either one is triggered, the entire position, along with any other related pending orders, will close out. That way, no rogue orders linger. Just ensure you're using a bracket template or attaching them to each entry.
How do you make a bracket order?
To make a bracket order in Tradeovate, when you place an initial order, you'll have an option to attach a bracket. You set a profit target and a stop loss right then. Once it's all configured, the platform will automatically manage that full position, closing it out entirely when one side is hit.
Well, so
If you want to
far I could right click and put in a buy or sell order, but it doesn't make it a bracket order.
Right, clicking buy or sell alone won't
No, not a buy or
automatically.
sell. Right clicking on the chart and then entering that orders that way. That's how I've been doing it. But how do I set up a bracket order?
Ah, got it. So when you open that order ticket, whether from the chart or elsewhere, look for something called an exit strategy or a bracket option before confirming. You'll typically find fields to set both a profit target and a stop loss. Once you configure those levels, you'll have a bracketed order attached. After that, whenever one side is hit, the whole position closes. Just a matter of toggling those extra fields before placing the order.
What's ATM setting?
ATM stands for Auto Trade Management. It lets you define a set of rules in advance, like your stop and target, so that whenever you place a trade, those levels attach automatically. In other words, once your order is filled, the ATM handles the exit. No more manual juggling.
How do I turn on a bracket order?
When you open the order ticket, like from the DOM or chart, you'll see a section for your exit strategy or ATM strategy. You'll choose a bracket template or create one by setting a stop loss and profit target. Once you confirm that bracket, every time you place an order with that template, the bracket handles exits automatically.
Alright, we're in a pretty solid trade here, up 38 bucks, $55 on the day. Just hoping I get to a good target, but a win's a win, I guess. So I'm going to let this play out to all-time highs. If I get this trade, it will be 26 points. That would be a pretty solid trade. Would be 280. That'd be a nice solid day. Right? Is that 26 or 36? 26. Okay. That's 20, no, 26 times 5. That'd be 130. Plus, I already have 117. 150 on the day. Alright, we'll let it run. And I think that's it for today. I guess I'll just let it be. Alright, we're in a risk-free trade here, so I guess I'll just let it go. Still moving up, another nice strong push up. Now this little pullback, what I'd hope does not happen is we make like a lower head and shoulders type pattern now, because this is such a small pullback. If we break this low, I think we're aiming for this low at that. Our stop loss is there. We got nice strength to the upside. And we go into 3, 2, 3, 1. I'll unplug the camera and just let it ride out. Smile at me.
I've been feeling that you really love me, you like me. Romanticism haunts me. So if you feeling something, then why are you? shape for me. You feel like me, you and me.
What you into, like? Baby, just play. Just play. Baby, what you into, like?
I've been feeling like you really love me or like me. Romanticism haunts me. So if you feeling something, then what are you?
What you into? What you into?
shape for me. Don't feel like the only.
What you into like? Just what you into like?
shape for me. Don't feel like the only.
What you into, like, what you into, like. I